There are two ways of spreading light: to be the source or the mirror that reflects it. The creator and inspirer of this Monday, and the inspirer of millions that step foot into it, is a person that has lived his entire life for others. Our Guru and guiding light, Pramukh Swami Maharaj. True greatness, a sign of utmost strength and inner peace. Pramukh Swami Maharaj taught us to enjoy the bliss of humility no matter how great our deeds or achievements. To love unconditionally is the secret to happiness. Pramukh Swami Maharaj inspired us to equally love all, to see good in all, and strive to make the world a better place. Fear finds an excuse, while faith finds a way. Pramukh Swami Maharaj showed us that having resolute faith in God helps us be unshakable through the ups and downs of life. Friendship is a journey without an end. Pramukh Swami Maharaj was a lifelong friend who has selflessly given his time and guidance to millions around the world. Dear Pramukh Swami Maharaj, as we celebrate your 100th birthday, we hope to continue to learn from your life and pay forward these timeless lessons through our words and actions. To serve is the greatest achievement. Bhagwan Swaminarayan traveled across the breadth of India for the betterment of mankind. And in his footsteps, Pramukh Swami Maharaj traveled tirelessly across the globe to serve and uplift millions. A mandir is a place where the mind becomes still and experiences paramount peace. Our beloved Pramukh Swami Maharaj, you have given us this beautiful mandir, so we have a place to worship, a place to learn values, and a place to preserve our culture. These mandirs are a sight to behold, iconic landmarks that we can be proud of as Hindus and Americans for centuries to come. A true Guru takes us from darkness to light. Through your teachings and these mandirs, we learn to live a value-centric life, rooted in spirituality. We pray that we can continue to grow and inspire generation after generation to live a life full of spiritual values and harmony. Timeless moments are just forever. Although you are no longer with us, the light is still shining bright because we have faith that you are with us every step of the way. After all, you've taught us time and time again that you will always be with us.
I will always be with you. I love you all. I love you.
A million thank yous wouldn't be enough for all you've done for us, Pramukh Swami Maharaj. You stayed true to your promise of never leaving us. Thank you for the greatest gift of all time, Mahant Swami Maharaj, a shining light who continues to show us that everlasting Shanti is possible, even in this chaotic world. On this Diwali, we pray that we can follow Pramukh Swami Maharaj's life motto by doing good for others, and in their joy, finding our own. From all of us here, Jai Swaminarayan and Namaste. Happy Diwali. From all of us here, Jai Swaminarayan and Namaste. Happy Diwali.